Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, December 5th, 2023. Let's find out what's going on the daily time frame chart on the Bitcoin to Tether market at Zondacrypto. So what do we see here is a little bit a long-term view of the Bitcoin from the lows of 15,560. So as you can see, the current market price is way over 42,000 tethers. So let's find out what's happened here and how this situation might develop in the future. We are going to base our analysis on the Elliott waves. So everyone who is familiar with this concept might find it really educative. So what do we have here is the wave 1 to the upside. Basically, this is the correction in the wave 2, and now we are developing wave 3. Wave 4 and 5 are still to be developed in the future. Let me just remove this wave line, so we can concentrate only on the digits. So that's very good. Let's just find out what are the internal circles of the current wave. So we got the wave 1, again wave 2, and now we are developing wave 3 or 4. Of course, those waves are different in the cycle. So this is the cycle of let's say minute. No, that's not too much. Let's say sub-minute. Okay, that might be good. Micro is apparently very well. So right now we are developing wave 3, and then when the wave 4 is done, then wave 3, big one, the one in the brackets, might be developed. So that's the current situation. Now what we need to do is to count this lowest cycle. Again, it will be 5-wave structure from the lows to the highs. So let's just find out what is going on here as well. This is the wave 1. That's particularly interesting. This is the wave 2, and right now we have a finished wave 3 around here, and now we got done wave 4, and we are doing the wave 5. This is the smallest cycle, minuscule, let's say, and we will change it to black so we don't have any problems identifying it. So right now, what's the situation? We are about to finish the wave 3 in a circle. Then there is a correction in wave 4 waiting for us, and then another burst to the upside in wave 5 in the circle will complete the 3-wave big wave main circle scenario to the upside. Then eventually correction wave 4 will happen, and then eventually wave 5 to the upside will happen. Let's concentrate on the potential targets for the wave 3. We will start with the big cycle, wave 3 in the bracket. So what are we going to use to do this is, of course, the trend-based Fibonacci extension. So we got this wave 1 to the upside completed around here, and let's just find out where is the target for the wave 3. Let me just play around with my Fibonacci. I want to get rid of all of this internal Fibonacci levels, and I want to leave only this 1.6 level, because this is the one of the most popular and typical targets for the wave 3. And the big wave 3 in the brackets target is 49,680 and 80 tethers. Okay, so this is the situation with the wave 3. All right, now let's find out what's going on with the lower cycle, the one with the inside the circle. So we can even find some kind of a Fibonacci target. We can even find some Fibonacci cluster. As you can see, typical target for the wave 3 in cycle has been made already way long time ago. Let's say let's just find out whether the 261 is apparently very nice, and the next nice target is 300 or 361 here. So this is for the wave 3 in a circle, and the smallest one. Let's find out the last one, the smallest potential target for the wave 3, and we can see if there is any target available for us as well. Let's say then Wave number 2 is here, and you can see pretty much we got almost all the same situation here. So let's just dig in a little bit closer. So let's just switch on the micro scale, and let's make this chart a little bit bigger. Let's more and more and more. There you go. So the situation here is that the target for the wave 5 might be right now hit, and we should complete the wave 3. Let me just switch the color for the wave 3 to yellow. The yellow is not good. Maybe white. White is so okay. Black is perfect. Okay, so the black is very much visible. So between it's very tricky to to find out because they are so close. 41,998 and 42,147. Those are the targets for the wave 5, and those are very typical targets of 261% of the extension of the wave 1. Okay, that's fine. Now if we broke above these levels, it doesn't mean it's the end of the movement to the upside, because we still have the very nice cluster for the wave 3 and 5, which is number 3, which means the 300%. So I want to use the percentage so you can see it right now. There you go. 300% of the wave 1, the extension of the 300% is located between 44,246 and 44,650. This is how precise this market can be. So if this is the target for the wave 5, wave 3 is done, and then we of course can complete the can start the wave 4 correction. But please take into the consideration the situation where, let me just zoom out, where the wave 3, big one, the one in the brackets, is still possible to make, because the targets for the wave 5, those targets will be much more accurate when we done the wave 4, but the first targets for the wave 3 are between 49,680 and 47,881. What this gap is okay, but it's too big right now to be the cluster. This is very nice, very close. These levels, the Fibonacci projections are very, very close, which might be considered a cluster. This one is too far away, so we need to wait for more data coming to these markets in order to precisely see the situation for the wave 3 in the brackets. So let me just remove the 361 here on this one, and let me just remove the projection for the 361, because it's a little bit too early to precisely narrow the very, very limited levels, price levels for the target for the wave 5 in the brackets, and at the same time wave 3, the main wave 3 of our impulsive scenario to the upside. So looks very good for now. It looks very good for now. We are continuing with the wave 3. If we want to apply some arrows to help you guys understand, we got this movement ahead of us, which is of course up. So let me just leave the maybe not this one, but that kind of, can't see it. So okay, let's do this one. Oh no, you can't see it as well. So let me just go back to the black. We are back to black, and we can see that we are going towards this area here. Then of course we need to consider the situation when we will have some sort of the correction, and then there will be another burst to the upside in order to complete the 5-wave advance of the wave 3 in the brackets. So of course this level here is not a target for the wave 4. This is just the idea what should happen here, and how, in what level, what part of the cycle we are right now on. We are still continuing wave 5 to the upside and wave 3, and we are waiting for the cycle to be completed, and then we can do the big correction in wave 4 and resume the uptrend in wave 5 to complete one big scenario. So that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.